Hey guys, Glitch Razor here, back with another Off-Road Outlaws video. And if you can see right here, this is the truck I just posted about like half hour ago. And you might need to turn the wheel radius up a little bit, but I'm gonna be building. Okay, so today's purpose of the video is I'm gonna be building this truck. It's like in the dealership. It's $20,000 or 100 gold. It's the second vehicle. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the recording real quick and get all the stuff out the way. I'm not gonna build it, I'm just gonna purchase all the stuff I need. Be right back. Okay, got all the stuff bought and out of the way, so now let's get into the customization of the body. I might leave the bumper stock for this one. No, I'm gonna put that one on. I might do this truck with a dually. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna leave the bed as is, fender as is. I'm gonna put these side steps right there. We'll see about the roof lights for as we go. I'm gonna do that type, and not because it's cheaper than this one, it's just because this one is, I don't know, I just like this one better because it looks more clean. And we'll do lights later. We'll do roof lights later too, just depending on how stuff goes. We're gonna do like a glossy, I don't know, maybe people won't like this color. Well, you guys can do any color you want, but I'm gonna do like, I always do this type. I don't have any trucks of it because my stuff got wiped one time on my old phone, and I forgot to make like one of these again. It's like a cotton candy, I guess, looking truck. And front rims, we're gonna do this type, this rim, and we're gonna do pink. And for the back, we're gonna do same rim, but this blue color. And then we're gonna do we could do these tires, but I'm gonna go with these front and back. And I think we're gonna run a dually setup only because we got these this exhaust. And since well, you guys can do what you want, but put these type, that fender where it bumps the back out but not the front. And we already did rims. And that's probably gonna be it for the customization. And upgrades. I did full power, full grip, full weight, diesel swap, full durability, gearbox. I just bought it and put an e-brake on it, full turbo setup. Now let's get into the tuning. We'll go to tune suspension, and we'll go with a 0.5 at the least. Do 0.5 at the max for the back. And then we'll do shock size 1.5 at the max. Same for the back. Stiffness we'll do 15,000, and then travel we'll bump it up to like 48 at the max. Same for the back. 15,000 and 44 for the back. Actually, we'll do 45. And that's for the thing. Rim size we'll do 1.2 at the least. Same for the back. We'll do 4 into 1.1, same for the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And wheel width for the front, we're going to do 1.4 at the max. And the back, we're going to do like a 1.3 at the max, just because I have duals on the back, so it's a little bit bigger. And I might actually have to bump the suspension up just a little bit more. Okay, so now, what was I on? Oh yeah. Actually, you can bump the stiffness up to 23. Oh yeah, and for chain suspension, I have trophy type heavy duty on the front and trophy type heavy duty on the back. And that's pretty much the build for this truck. I mean, we can run it on the dyno real quick. Buy perk setup, run dyno. Okay, so we're coming in with max 705 horsepower, max torque 1,186 pounds of torque, and yeah. So that's pretty much gonna be the build for this truck. If you want to do any other stuff, you're open to it. I'll probably do a video of driving this thing, like actually going somewhere, or I'll just do a full like video of having a trailer, having something on the trailer. So yeah, I'm gonna go make that video, and peace out.